guys, hope you all are good. So we all know that lip balm is a necessary thing in winter. So today we are making beetroot lip balm. This will protect us from dryness and give to your lip a beautiful red or pink tone, and it will moisturize your lip too. So let's go and see. For this lip balm, take one big beetroot. If you want more quantity, take more. Before adding to the blender, you have to make the beetroot few pieces and add into the blender, otherwise you can't blend well. After that, you have to grind it well, otherwise you will not get the perfect juice. Now separate this into a bowl, then take the drainer and drain it well. Now remember one important thing, which you have to push this beetroot well, otherwise you will not get the perfect full juice, because when we are boiling it will less the amount so little. Now we take our maximum amount of juice, but it will less the quantity more while we are boiling. Now take a kadai and put the beetroot mixture into it and boil it well, and you have to, in between that you have to mix well. It will less the amount so much, but don't worry, we need the thick consistency like this, and we will add other all ingredients. Now take a fresh bowl and pour the beetroot mixture into it. It's so red, so you can use this for blood prank. Anyway, back to our topic. In the bowl, next add some Vaseline or petroleum gel. Now don't add too much, and so if you add too much it will be so hard to mix and it will be so oily. Vaseline is so hard to mix, so take a bowl and add some hot water into it and keep the bowl into it and mix it well, so when the heat is coming, the Vaseline will melt and it will be so easy to mix. As you can see, we do like that, the Vaseline melt completely and dissolve into the beetroot. Now take a mold and pour the mixture into it because it's completely ready. Now put this thing in the freezer or in the fridge for overnight or 5 to 10 hours. Now I will say how to use this. You have to put this lip balm into a lip. After 5 minutes, take a tissue paper and wipe the lip balm bit. So it will give a beautiful moisturizing, plus it will give a beautiful pink or red tone. So I hope you all will definitely try this, because I really like this thing, and I hope you all will definitely like this thing, and you have to come here to understand my more journey. So please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to watch more new videos.